Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ASF Public School. We are starting the new chapter, chapter number 6, States of Matter. You have done in class 8 also. We are again starting this chapter in class 9. First of all, in this chapter, you should know what is matter. Everything in the universe which is around you is matter. Actually, matter is a thing which has mass and it occupies some space. And everything in the universe has mass and they occupies some space. So around us, all the things are matter. All these things which are around us, which we call them matter, are of three states: solid, liquid, and gases. Number one, solid state. As you can see that in this picture, molecules in the solid state are very tightly packed. This is the reason they have their shape. They hold their own shape. They have some weight also and they takes up space as well. Examples of solid, you can see chair, tree, hat, car, they all are in solid state. Now the liquids. You can see in this picture the molecules in the liquid state are not very tightly packed. They have some space in between them. That is why the liquids have the flowing property. Liquids take the shape of the container in which we place them. They have weight also and they also take up the space. Of liquid are milk, rain, river, ocean, water. These all are liquids. Third state is gas. In gases, you can see the picture, the molecules are very far apart. They have a lot of space in between the molecules. That is why gases spread out to fill the whole space which is given. They have weight also and they also take up the space. Examples of gases are smoke, steam, clouds. Changes in matter. As you know that these are the states of matter, they can also change their phases. यानी कि for example solid to liquid, anything which is in the solid form, it can be converted into the liquid form. For example, if we have ice, हम ice को अगर heat देंगे तो उसको गर्म करेंगे तो it will convert into the liquid state, and this process is called melting, in which heat goes into the solid. Freezing. In freezing, the state of matter is changing from liquid to solid. It means that liquid is converting into the solid form. Vaporization. In vaporization, the liquid state is converting into the gaseous state. Condensation. In condensation, gas state is converting into liquid. Now in sublimation, the solid is converted directly into the gaseous state without coming into the liquid state. It means there is no liquid state in sublimation. Anything which is to be converted, it is directly converted into gaseous state from solid. Now the next topic is diffusion. Diffusion is actually the movement of particles to spread out in the given place or in the given area. For example, the smell of any perfume, it diffuses and can be detected by the people on the other side of the room. Actually, diffusion is very common in liquids and gases. It is very hardly in solids, because in solids the molecules are very tightly packed. So diffusion is very hard in solids. Now in liquids we can take the example, जैसे for example if we put a drop of ink in any liquid, the color of that liquid changes very quickly. Similarly, in gases, I gave you the example, they spray in one corner of the room. Very soon, that spray, that perfume spreads in the whole area in that room, and we can smell it to on the other side of the room as well. This is because that diffusion happens very quickly in the gases state. This is the end of the chapter, students. Now I will also give you some questions in another slide that you will do in the copy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.